Okay, I'm gonna be honest. This laptop surprised me more than what I expected. Because when you see the MSI Vector 16HX AI, it doesn't scream, "Look at me." It's not trying to be super thin, it's not overloaded with weird gamer aesthetics, but once you actually start using it, a world of difference. Hi guys, Card here from Wallace and this is the MSI Vector 16HX AI gaming laptop. Here are some of its best features that I think make it worth checking out. Inside this variant, you've got an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti laptop GPU, which already sounds pretty crazy for gaming and creative work. But specs are just one thing. The experience? It's another. After spending some time with it, here are the few things that really stood out to me. Alright, first up, performance. And yes, best thing is fast. Like, properly fast. The RTX 5070 Ti here handles modern games really well, especially at the laptop's native resolution. But what I also like is it doesn't just feel like a gaming laptop. If you edit videos, render stuff, multitask a lot, or basically do anything heavy, this thing just powers through it. And MSI actually lets the hardware run with decent power limits too, so it doesn't feel like the laptop is holding back itself all the time. That's thanks to the combination of hardware and software. MSI's Overboost Ultra technology gives you 240 watts of peak power right at your fingertips. Second is the display, and honestly, this might be one of my favorite parts. You've got a 240Hz QHD Plus panel, so everything looks ridiculously smooth. Like even just moving windows around feels nice. Games obviously benefit a lot from it, especially shooters and faster titles. But what surprised me is how the screen looks for content creation as well. The colors look great, the images are sharp, and the 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more screen space vertically, which helps you more than you would think. And when you have powerful laptops like this, they usually fall apart when temperatures go crazy. But this one, it actually holds up pretty well with the MSI Cooler Boost 5 system. The good thing here is that the performance stays pretty consistent even during longer sessions, and that's important for anyone doing both gaming and productivity. Now let's go to connectivity. Instead of making the laptop thinner, MSI made sure that you get all the right ports you need for your everyday needs. You get not one, but two Thunderbolt 5 ports, an HDMI 2.1, multiple USB-A ports, Ethernet, and even an SD card reader. So whether you're gaming, editing, or building a workstation setup, having these ports built in makes daily use much more convenient. And lastly, this is one underrated feature, flexibility. MSI made sure users get a lot of flexibility here, supporting up to 96GB of RAM and includes dual M.2 SSD slots with PCIe Gen 5 support. That's a huge plus if you plan to keep this laptop for a while. You can add more storage later, upgrade your memory, and future-proof this laptop to hold more files as you use it through the years. And there's more to love. Audio by Nahimic, MSI's own AI-powered control hubs, that 24-zone RGB keyboard with MSI Mystic Light, and even a privacy shutter for your webcam. At the end of the day, the MSI Vector 16HX AI skips on those unnecessary stuff and focuses on delivering the powerful performance you need for everyday use. You've got powerful hardware, a great display, solid cooling, upgradability, and enough ports to be that unwavering gaming companion, and even a dedicated workhorse for your content or multitasking. And honestly, that combination is getting harder to find now. This feels less like a show-off gaming laptop and more of a machine built for people who actually use their laptops hard every single day. This model of the MSI Vector 16HX AI is now available in stores and online for 129,995 pesos. Do note that MSI is running their new The Hunt for Power promo this month, where you get a 2,000 peso e-voucher for every purchase. You can check out more details available on our website, wallacetech.com.